Our development process for any future printer really takes into account a couple of things. The first one is, what's the customer looking for? And as we're going through that developmental process, all the way up until the time we start building it, we run tests. It's to verify that the capabilities that the customers are asking for are actually being met in the printer.
We start really with the marketplace, the competition, and the customer needs, and we start projecting, where we need to take our products in the future.
So this is the printer test lab where we bring in all of our new products and we test and verify that this printer performs as it was designed to perform.
We're in the hardware test lab. The test lab is responsible for essentially simulating the different environments around the world. The area behind me is referred to as life test, and in life test we literally simulate those operational conditions, which include different voltages as well as different temperature and humidity conditions, and validate that for the entire rated life of the product that it's going to deliver and perform according to the specification, which we believe simulates that customer environment.
One reason we put this map up is we wanted to remind ourselves here in Boise, Idaho, that our business is global, that our customers are spread across the entire globe, and that presents unique challenges in many regions. We need to meet those challenges. We need to remind ourselves every day, and this map is just one way we do that.
We're here in the paper dock area where we actually buy over 300 different types of paper from across the planet. We bring that paper in, we analyze it for a variety of attributes that we know are critical to the printing process, and then we interject that paper into the design of the product and ensure that in fact those papers do work in our devices. Of course, that's a lot of paper. We do recycle 100% of the paper that we print on, as well as we also test paper that is recycled.
This is the print quality measurement area. A subset of the pages that are printed in life test are brought here for print quality measurements. Those measurements include archivability, line width, gamut, image placement accuracy, edge sharpness. Print quality measurements are performed on individual pages. We have over 20 tests per individual page and over 200 measurements on those pages.
The supplies testing is in fact a byproduct of product testing. The repeatability, cartridge to cartridge, is an expectation of our customers and one of the specifications of our products. And the only way to test that, to verify that you're there, is to run lots and lots of images and lots of pages, and that's what happens in this facility.
So it is very good for us to have a close proximity between the test lab and design team, because it allows us actually to notify them very quickly of the problems and defects that we're finding in testing.
Make a simple phone call and the R&D engineers are down here in 2 minutes, and they are troubleshooting, finding root cause analysis of the problems, and then try again. And that is a great value, and it cuts the development cycle a great deal.
The testing that we perform here is focused in the area of environmental and regulatory testing. The difficulty in working with various regulatory agencies varies from country to country.
We're now in the RFI chamber, which stands for Radiated Frequency Interference. Basically, in this facility, we look at our printer, which is an electrical mechanical device capable of emitting radio frequencies into the airways that could interfere with other electronic devices. What we do is we put the product here, we connect it with the other appliances that a customer would connect it to, and then we measure via those antennas the radio frequencies that are being emitted from the device. Once we find frequencies that are in excess, we go in and we redesign the product so that those frequencies don't exist.
This is the electrostatic discharge room, and the purpose of this room is to bring printers in and be able to test how they respond to electrostatic discharge. We actually zap them with guns to test and see how the printer responds to various voltage levels.
The advantage of that is that we're able to get our products to market much faster because we don't have to wait for another test lab in various individual countries of the world to retest our products. We test it once here, and we get the product to market almost immediately after we're done testing.
This is our acoustics chamber. It's a semi-anechoic chamber, and here we capture the noise emissions of the product. The way we do that is we use these microphones in an array around the product. We multiplex those together for a single measurement. We use this for sound quality measurements. It's a binaural digital microphone. It allows us to reproduce sound exactly as the human experiences it.
Software is how our users actually interact with their product. Software is how the user makes a selection, how the user commands the printer what to do. And so that's the interface between the device itself and our customer.
We have a variety of configurations that we test for. The software system team is responsible for ensuring the quality of the install CD that goes out with our products. Testing is important because we are the last touch that the product sees before the end consumer receives our products. If we don't find the issues, our customers will.
So we often do find problems as we're going through the testing. And we really look on the discovery of these problems as a big win for the organization, because we've been able to find something, and therefore we're able to fix it before that problem gets out into our customers' hands.
What I hope people get from watching what we do here is that we take quality seriously and we invest to make sure that it happens.
Every day we go out, we interact with customers, we hear about what their issues are, what their needs are from a business perspective. We bring that data back to the organization. We assimilate what that could mean in terms of product functionality, and we build that functionality into the product, and we deliver new services and products that actually enhance the way that they do their jobs.
When we have a product that has gone through and simultaneously met all of the different regulations that we have to assure that they meet, and it gets to market on time, and it has all of the features that a customer could ever imagine and expect in this product, that's really satisfying to know that that customer's going to be excited when they buy our product.